Is this thing working? Yeah, I think we're good. Hey everybody, it's Jim Blevins here again, getting into the fall point of view of someone just strolling along the trails, just enjoying nature and its finest works. There's a nice bridge. What the? There's someone over there. What the? Hey buddy, I've seen you around here, but what are you doing? Hey, I want to have some words with you. Ain't fair. That you're doing this to the people who live around here and enjoy these trails. They're just trying to enjoy nature, and you're out here trying to give them a scare. Hey. Where? Well, that was weird. Well, I don't really want to see that guy again, so, hey, guys. Alright. He's not over there. Oh no. I gotta get home.
Still walking.